Hey guys, welcome to the Best Online Tutorials channel. In this one, we're talking about how to create a content calendar in Notion for beginners. So firstly, create a new database. So open a blank page in Notion and give it a title. For example, if you press new chat, you can just start building with AI. And in here, guys, say something, I need to create a content calendar and press send. Okay, and also we have properties for essential data. So like tags for your content. If you want to add those, you can press the plus icon on the far right side of the table header to add the following essential columns, such as, let me just open this database. So you can just choose title, status, publish date, platform, content type, and URL. You can add all these later. If you need to add something new, press new. And as you can see, you can create a new page in here. If not, you can just use this content calendar that's created for you by AI. So this one is just if you want to go from scratch, okay? You just name it here, add anything else you want, and yeah, you're good to go. Enjoy guys, if this helped, subscribe.